watch alert has been issued for the following area: Long Island, State of New York. A hurricane watch has been issued by the National Weather Service of the State of New York. At this time, Hurricane Earl is moving closer to the eastern seaboard of the United States and could hit the coastline of New York State. Hurricane Earl is a Category 4 hurricane and is capable of creating severe damage to buildings and property. You are advised to remain vigilant and stay indoors. It is imperative that you avoid driving long distances if Hurricane Earl arrives. If Hurricane Earl arrives, you are advised to go into the basement of your home. If you do not have a basement, or you are outside, seek the safest sheltered area as soon as possible. If a flood occurs, seek higher ground as soon as possible. This hurricane watch alert has been issued for the following area: Long Island, State of New York. If there is a power outage, you are advised to tune into your battery radio. I repeat, this is a hurricane watch alert for Long Island, New York State. You are advised to remain vigilant and stay indoors. You are also advised not to drive long distances in case the weather turns treacherous. This hurricane watch alert is in effect from 2:30 a.m. till 7:30 a.m. If there is a power outage, you are advised to tune into your battery radio.